A high-profile murder case. The woman convicted of killing the pregnant girlfriend of former Chicago Bears player Shaun Gayle is back in court.
Her lawyers say they now have proof that she is innocent, and Tia has details on the new evidence that could change the course of this case. Tia?
Well, Sylvia and Terrence, her lawyer, laid out what that new evidence is. The same judge who oversaw the original trial of Marni Yang is now considering whether she deserves a second chance at justice. This time, it's not about what we've heard before. It's about what we've never seen, including 3 canisters of 35mm film that was never developed. Experts say the images contain evidence that the shooter had to be taller than Yang.
There was evidence in those photographs that would help prove that Marni was innocent. So we got it, we presented it, we've done an analysis of those pictures. They will show that the shooter had to be 5'9" or taller in order to do this murder. Marni is 5 feet tall.
All right, so it's been nearly 14 years since Marni Yang was convicted of killing Ronnie Reuter, shot and killed her in her Deerfield condo while pregnant with former Bears player Shaun Gayle's child. Among the bombshells in the defense's report is that film that you just heard about that was never developed. And experts now say the images show something critical, that the shooter had to be taller than 5'9". Yang is 5 foot tall. You heard that. Prosecutors pushed back today, objecting to a revised affidavit from a forensic expert that they say was just handed to them. That forced the judge to pause proceedings Monday afternoon. Yang's team is also introducing new testimony from a barber who contradicts Shaun Gayle's timeline and medical records suggesting Reuter had injuries days before she died, possibly pointing to domestic abuse. Yang was found guilty in 2011 after she was recorded confessing to a friend, though the defense argued she was lying to save her teenage son.
She said to her friend, Miss Passion, I'm just going to make some up. And she did. And that was the only thing that convicted her. There is no physical evidence. There's no scientific evidence. There weren't any fingerprints. There wasn't any DNA. There wasn't a footprint in blood. There was nothing in that crime scene other than her statement to Passion months and months later, after she was trying to protect her son, that got her into this mess. Frankly, it was stupid to do it. She's innocent. Now let's get to justice.
The defense presented a 111-page document involving the new evidence, and the state needed time to review it. Judge Christopher Stride apologized to Yang because she didn't get to speak in court today. The case is now continued until August 18th. The judge could decide to dismiss the conviction, order a new trial, or deny the request altogether. Of course, we'll be watching closely. Terrence and Sylvia.